Hey, hello. Morning everyone, morning. How is everybody? Whew. How's everyone doing today? Another cold morning here, but it'll slowly get warmer. Hello from Manchester. Hello, brother. Two bags. Two, brother, for the summer. If you're new here, my bro, you don't have to next time. Just come and watch. But welcome to the family. Or to the whānau, as I say. Cheerio, Dweebo. How's everyone doing? Greatest of all time? I don't know. Aman, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. Sorry for the late start today, guys. We had the lawnmower man on. So I'm not allowed to mow the lawn myself because the landlord has his own. How you doing, big man? Oh, I'm doing good, brother. Yeah, I'm all good. Cool. So yeah, like we always do, we have our 5-minute catch up first. Where did I learn your woodcarving skills? So they were introduced, so the art form was introduced to me by my uncle at the age of 12, and from then on out I knew that's what I wanted to do at a young age. Didn't want to do anything else. So yeah, I just carried on my learning of carving and then went through Carving Institute here in Totara, and done my 3 years there, graduated, got my ticket or whatever you call it, and have been carving ever since. Yeah. Through the good times, through the bad times, but yeah, most of all just carving. Cheer, Ora. Cheer, my bro. How are you? So I actually put it closer, eh? So you can see it. I just tried to do a TikTok before too. Hey, cheer, Welshie. Cheer, brother. Do you play CSGO? Nah, man, never. Oh shit. Padawan and Bollock Panda. Thank you very much, guys, for subbing. You didn't have to. And Sicko as well for subbing as well. Just remember to look after yourselves, eh? You can't just watch for free. You do TikTok? I mean, I tried to. I'm not very good at it. I'd rather leave it to these young people. I just try to do a half-assed one. You're so silly. Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. And ads too. Much love, guys. Do you play Xbox or PlayStation or PC? PlayStation and PC. So I uploaded just a normal photo on Instagram last night, and people thought I had an Xbox, but I was just downloaded Halo on my PC thanks to the brother Muhammad. 3k away from a hair flick. I might have to make it more than 1, 2. Okay, what are we doing today? So we're doing the guy up the top. We do a bio artwork from me. Nate Flapjack, thanks for the sub, brother. So what we're going to do today, so we're still doing the top figure. Say don't be mean, I'll keep watching for free. Oh, Buddhist monkey. True, brother. Didn't have to. So that's the part we're doing here. So the top figure. But that's what we've done so far. Move my hand. So yeah, bit of a zoom out. There you go. Hey man, where's the donation, brother man? We want to show you some love. Soon, brother. Hey, crazy. Sorry, my finger slipped. Sure, brother, crazy. Bloody egg. Hope you're well, brother. Thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to. Getting a few chisels. Oh, you've been here for a good leg too, brother. Shit, quite a few of you have. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is just what we do all the time. Put the camera down, and I'm gonna draw up a little bit too. So we'll just carry on doing that. So what I'm gonna do too, with the hair flicks, I'll add more than one. I'll do like 3, just to be fair. I was thinking about putting a chat redeem in there, like if you get 1,000,000 points, I'll do a free commission or something. What do you guys think? Will that be something cool? Let me know. Brigham, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, you can watch for free. It's totally fine. Cheer, brother Thunder. Bro, I can't wait to watch you do your mahi again, eh? Loving the new emote too. Your Guy Sensei one. Yeah, that'd be awesome. What do you reckon? Shall I do it? So that's like maybe a chat redeem I'll do. I don't know if people can save up 1,000,000, but yeah, what's a commission? So it's a piece that's done by me that is asked by someone else. So I only do traditional Maori wood carvings. I don't do like D&D pieces or anything like. Oh, come on. Exorcism OG. Oh, bro. Thanks. Oh, thanks for that, brother. You did not have to do that, brother. It's totally fine. But thank you, Exorcism. Much love, my brother. And congrats to those that receive Exorcism's love. I mean, you gotta say that, eh? Thank you. Working on yours now, hopefully be done by the end of the day. Oh, true, bro. How helpful is it that you only have to do one emote now, brother, instead of like the 3 different sizes? Does that help a lot? Ooh, we got morning arguments across the road. Oh no, it's just the old man not listening to his wife. That'll be me at an old age too. So what we're doing today is just putting in our Totara akai, which is our design here. So what I'm doing, like I've done this design before on stream, is just opening up the notches, just getting a like a nice straight wall in depth on them. You're supposed to if I'm ever old and Mrs. Broxh moans at me like that, I'll just turn my hearing aid off. Cold Stone, thank you very much, brother, for subbing. If you're new here, my bro, you do not have to, brother. You can watch for free. Jensa Kongan with the 15 bits as well, and Hopspur. Thank you, guys. And along, oh come on, with Bob, with Rico with the bits as well, and then just Josh gifting 5 subs. Oh shit. Bloody hell, brother. Fuck. Okay, just Josh gifted subs. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to. Justin, Dead Morty, and Abyssal gifting a sub as well, and Ritty for subbing. Holy shit, man. We just started. Fuck, thank you, guys. You don't have to do that, though. And Eyesight with the bits as well. Sarge, Look, Pigeon, and Sakuria with the bits as well. A commission for $1 million sounds fair for Offset Valley. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, I'm getting hot now. Shit. Make me want to split some apples, mate. So this morning I was talking to one of the bros from Lab, because they're quite close with Mrs. Brox's family, and we should be having Lab on stream again, just like old times, very soon, hopefully. So what I have to do is just get like, because I can't have all their songs, They just said choose some songs that you like, and they'll get the paperwork done. And it just so happens that the guy that's gonna sign the form plays WoW as well, but unfortunately he plays Alliance. Hold on, guys. I'm missing a chisel. Cheer, Fanta. Okay, let's do this. What's the ETA of this ice? Don't know what you mean, brother. What's ETA? I'm not really down with the flash words, brother. Not even gonna lie. Brock should make a Discord. There's one. Zemetry and Jordan the God. Thank you very much, guys. You didn't have to, but appreciate it. Welcome to the whānau, welcome to the family. And why does this one look a bit longer than that one? But yeah, welcome. Reminds me of the guy from Thor. Estimated time of arrival. This ain't going anywhere, brother. Well, I don't have anyone for this piece now, and I don't want it. What does split some apples mean? Oh, you just split it with your bare hands. Where do I find the Discord? Exclamation mark socials, brother. What size shoe do you wear? 12. 12 my G. Dancing with pugs. Auction time, boys. I didn't even know how to do that. Hey, blessed MMA, true brother Max. Thanks for the sub, brother. Shit, you didn't have to do that, my bro. Man, I can't find the Discord. It's above you, man. Hey, Max. Thanks for tuning in, brother. Hope you're well. You and your whānau, your family. Little Ricky, thanks for gifting a sub, man. You didn't have to. You guys can watch for free. It's totally welcome. And mahalo, brother. Thanks for being here. Okay. What am I up to? You are so humble. Oh, I'm just me. Just trying to get this nose. I'm not really feeling it. Mugen, thanks for the sub as well. Guys, if you're new here, you don't have to sub. You can just watch. It is fine. And Pound as well. Welcome to the whānau, everyone. Yeah, but watching for free is all good. More than welcome, man. Okay, let me just do this eye. Yams and beats. True, brother. Didn't have to sub, my bro. You can watch for free, but kia ora. Hello, welcome to the stream. To anyone that's new here, kia ora. So that's our traditional Maori greeting. Hello. So I'm Broxh, I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. And I have a big passion for my culture. I don't want to do anything else. Yeah. So this is one of the main ways we pass down our myths, stories and legends in our culture. One of the other aspects as well was we were more of a oral tribe, or oral people, so we would talk and converse by passing down our teachings. Abiro, thanks for the sub as well, and Creme Flop, 3 months Abiro, damn. You can just watch, eh? But thank you, guys. Mugen, you're a great guy. Deserve it. No, he's a cool for being here. Thank you. Any advice for getting started in carving? Just start, bro. Make mistakes. Learn from them. We don't make mistakes, brother. We make adjustments. And we learn from them. Okay, so what you can see now, I'm just doing this eye. Now the pupil is way too high, so I have to drop that down, even lower than the eye socket, if you will. Got any good hakas for chat? Yeah, I'll be doing one on the Bob Ross stream. So because we hit 1 million followers, when I say we, I mean you guys. Because I can't follow myself because that belongs to you. That accomplishment. I'm going to do a Bob Ross stream, brother. Dress up as Bob Ross, paint. I've got the painting skills of a 5-year-old. So it should be a good laugh. And we'll do some giveaways as well. Do you have a favourite hooker? Not really, just all of them. This must take weeks of work and doesn't want people to sub. Yeah, it's all good. But yeah, with what's going on here, the bloody virus, you know. How does it feel to be recognised as the most humble man on Twitch? Oh, I don't reckon I'm the most humble. I can't claim that, eh? I really can't, because I don't think I am. It's not really something I'm trying to go for. If that helps your question, brother. Yeah. Okay, just trying to take the top off this pupil so we can start dropping it down. There you go. You're in that title fair and square. Oh, I don't know. Yeah. Captain Les, thanks for the sub, brother. I think the thing I'm most happy about is that everyone actually likes what I do. I know some come in not just for the carving, just to talk to me, but that's fine as well. At least they're honest. That is all good. You're amazing. Sorry I can't sub. I don't know what you're saying. Sorry for brother. It's all good. So I could donate, but I don't have money. If you don't have money, and when you get money, use it on yourself. Makes sense. You play rugby? Not anymore, brother. Long time ago. Squanch, thanks for the sub, brother. Welcome. Yeah, so what we're doing is just trying to do this head. Trying to get it ready. And then before we start staining the whole thing. So I need a rounder chisel. Oh, so Lord, for this night I pray that a star would guide you my way to show you be this special day. There's a ribbon in the sky. Second and 2 make 5. 2 and 2 make 5. Well, I read that so wrong. Thanks for gifting a sub, man. You didn't have to, eh? But congrats to the person that received that, along with JW5 for subbing. Jeez, you guys, man. He's no ears. Bro, Ribbons in the Sky is a mean song. For love we can lose, we got all outside. What in the styles? DVD. Thanks for the sub, brother. If you're new here, you can just watch my bro. Whew, I forgot to roll me back out. I just don't want to break the pupil. That's something else I'm bad for too, is breaking the pupils. Ask how tall you are, and I will reply with, even I don't know. I don't measure my height, brother. It's not something I do in my spare time. Sorry. I'm too busy catching L's on Fortnite. How's your day going today? Oh, it was good, man. A bit of a late start because the lawnmower man came over. So the house we're renting, it's just a 2-bedroom. We're not allowed to mow the lawn, bro. So the landlord. Oh god. Yo, humongous. Fucking hell. Bro, you did not have to do that, brother. Shit, my man. But thank you, bro. Just make sure you look after yourselves too, eh? And congrats to those that received that. Where are you born? New Zealand. Well, I call it Aotearoa by its original name. I watch My Hero because of you. Oh, true, brother. Nice. And on goes. Let this mill it out. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that might be good for now. For now. Yeah, for now. Oh no. Oh no, Datu? It's Utsi. Thank you guys for subbing if he's new here. You can just watch Not Lizard, my dad might like your stream. Oh nice, bro. Are you gonna try and find a new house? Yeah, maybe. I mean, it all depends on the situation, eh? Because that's me, and Whew, sorry. So, who's all living with us is me, my partner, my baby, and sister-in-law. Thanks, guys. Goddamn dust, man. It's all good though. Thank you, guys. Do you remember the first carving you ever worked on? Yeah, bro, I still got it, man. Keep it as a reminder. I need to go pick it up though. My mother's got it. Neat Corrals. Thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. You can't just come and watch. Ooh, this grain though. Ooh. What kind of wood is that? So it's Totara, brother. It's a native red pine that grows here in New Zealand. So majority of the carvings that we do, it is our native timber. So another one we use as well is Cody. So the difference between the two is this one's obviously red, and Cody's more yellow. But they're both soft timbers. However, Cody is just a little bit harder than Totara is. Gemini. Hey man, this is awesome thing to do. Keep up, much love. Hey, thanks Gemini. Didn't have to give those though. You're welcome, my man. Hey, true brother. Didn't have to though, brother. You show your art. I will be soon, man. It's got my first card today. Never been this happy. Oh, nice, Alex. Congratulations, brother. Bro, that's so cool, my bro. You happy with what you got, man? Everyone testing their egg. How much of an egg they are. How are you from Louisiana? Hey, brother. Okay, so I'm breaking the wall on the point on this side due to the split here. So what you want to do is just use another chisel instead of trying to like get that cut in. It does help to chop and change a little bit as well. Yeah, I accidentally ripped my skin off this morning, but yeah, we're all good if people are looking at it. Ah, thanks, Crix. How heavy is the chisel? Probably not that heavy. I don't know. I don't really know how heavy these things are. As long as they cut the wood, brother, that's all that matters. Egg, what you mean? So egg is a term used here in New Zealand, so don't be a troll really, or a dick in the chat. I remember one fella goes, oh, I'm hungry for eggs, trying to be funny, and I just told him to eat himself. He's like, you're being an egg, bro. Can you do your best Australian accent? No, I don't want to offend anyone. Best Australian accent, okay. Stu, my name's Just for Kicks. Is that my best Australian accent? Stu, my name's Just for Kicks. Getting cold again. Hello from Israel. Hello, bro. How are you? Let's play. This song slaps. Oh, it's already. It's just free and won't get me DMCA'd. That's why it's playing. Some were saying that the DMCA rules don't apply to us here in New Zealand, but I'm gonna feel like I think they do, man. That's actually the music I study to. Oh, true, Lupo. I hope you're not studying now though, because if you are, go and do your studies. Don't watch me. I'll be here all the time, just not on weekends. Well, unless I miss a day, then I'll do a weekend stream just to make up for it. Stream well soon? Yeah, trying to, brother. I just remembered Beyblade. Picking it out at the speed of sound. I studied to it too and cleaned the house. Nice. Making connections through the lo-fi. Let's play. Wow, that was the show, man. That was the show. What made you start streaming? Look, fun. I was watching my cousin Squared in HD one time. Just having a look. He was a good buzzy, because I didn't know he was my cousin at the time. Beyblades was so hype. Yeah, brother. Just watching how he was and having fun with his community, or his whānau is what I call them. Kind of made me want to try it. I didn't try it straight away because I was too shy. I didn't know what to do. And then I remember doing like pixelated as Fortnite streams, and Fanta was there. Wasn't the greatest, but yeah, I didn't really know how to speak properly. And then done a carving stream one day. When's the Bob Ross stream? When I get all the prizes, man. I'm not going to do it till I get all of those. And we sort out how we're going to do it. So, what is it? Ooh, that's breaking already. So I'm gonna get like second and third will be big pop vinyls. Not ridiculously huge, like a decent size. And still trying to figure out what third, fourth and fifth should be in terms of what they should be. Little Ricky T. Squirt is your actual cousin. Yeah, he's like literally my actual cousin. Squirty T, thanks for gifting a sub, man. You did not have to, but congrats to the person that received that as well. Wheku, thank you for subbing as well, and Boss Muffin, thank you guys for subbing. You can just watch for free, it is fine. Just remember to look after your guys, look after yourselves as well, that's more important. Here, take it all. Oh bro, thank you brother, you didn't have to do that. It's a bit hard when you don't have a smaller V chisel, but I'll make it work. Nick the Frick and Pure Madness, thank you guys for subbing. If you guys are new here, kia ora, my name's Broxh. I'm a Maori woodcarver, so we're like the native people to New Zealand. And if you're new here, like really new, you can watch for free, you do not have to sub. We have a great community, or whānau is what I like to call them, so that's family in my native tongue. But there's a cost for everything. They don't like to listen to me. Nah, they're all good. They can do whatever they want. Love them either way. I'm a family mod. Pretty much. Did you get the new PC? Yeah man, like ages ago. Like back when we were in lockdown, which was absolutely trash. I feel sorry for everyone else that's in lockdown too. It looks mighty epic. Oh, thanks, man. What do you use this wood thing and not hammer? What? Why do you use this wood thing and not a hammer? Oh, I mean, it only makes sense because you're using a wooden mallet on a wooden handle. It's going to take longer for the wooden mallet to obviously damage the timber as opposed to a steel hammer. And this is just the tools our ancestors used. Yeah. As a carver, the first thing you have to make is your mallet. If you don't have a mallet, you can't carve anything. Bloody YouTube, man. Bloody hell. You model my dude. Oh, epic shit, man. I'll try my best, man, to be like an idol, good example. I'll try my best, brother. Anyone told you sound like Cool Gear, brother, from day one? Did you make your mallet? Yeah, Dewey, bro. So I made mine, all of mine, really. I mean, all carvers do. Like personal preference, how they want it to be, how heavy. Brock Del Funk, and John Rick. Thank you guys for subbing. He didn't have to. You can just watch. Well, welcome. Hope you're safe wherever you are in the world. And with what's going on as well. Much love, everyone. Morena from Wellington. Hey, does NZ safe from Corona? Is NZ safe from Corona? Yeah, for now, I guess. Cheer, Jiggy. Cheer, brother. How did you make your mallet? Used a table saw, cut it into the shape I wanted, and used a rasp to do my handle. I've had this for a few years. Brox's Polynesian door? No, that's the rock. That's the rock, brother. Thanks, Fuji. You're part of that too, man. No, I didn't do it. You guys did. Do you sketch what you're making before you start? Yeah. So you're starting from a piece of paper. Eh? You can just do it from your memory, but that's something I'd like to do on the stream. Just don't draw, just go for it. Thanks, Connor, and thanks for the bits, man. You didn't have to, though. Yeah, that is definitely a challenge I would like to do on stream because I've never done it before. Would be something nice to do. Hold on, guys. I just had to turn this around so I could get it from different angles. Were you in Moana? Nah, man, I wasn't. That was the rock. But everyone's been calling me Maui, so I got the brother Thunder Punch to make an emote. Have you watched Big Les Show? Nah, bro, I don't even know what that is. Good night, bro. Thanks for the stream. Oh, Alex Falker, thanks for dropping in, man. Much love, brother. Jeez, the water's very brittle up the top here. Hold on, guys. Just fixing up the little boo-boos here and there. MKW 545, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Is this a hobby? More of a big-ass passion than a hobby, brother. Yeah. What's the biggest project I've ever done? So I was a part of a team, and we did like a giant wall panel. It's actually on one of our VODs, and on YouTube as well, up at Te Puia. Now if you want to fast forward through the video, it's actually at the end, if you ever watch it. But I've even done something bigger than that too. I like being a part of a group. There's brittle wood. Oh no, it's just it's dry in certain areas, so there's some parts that are good to carve. Yeah. Good luck on your sculpting. You're amazing to see. Oh, cheer, Marks. Thanks for dropping in, brother. Just wanted to say thank you for being such a kind and chill dude. Your work is beautiful. Hey, thanks, Moose Tracks Gaming. Appreciate it, brother. And hope you're doing well, my dude. Okay, so from here, I need to turn it around now. I so can't wait to play LAB again, eh? All hands are so big but not so gentle. Oh, I thought they were just normal hands. Anorexic koala. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Thanks for the sub, brother. If you're new here, you can just watch. It is totally fine. Okay, let's do the side of the arm now. Oh, it's always so fascinating. Oh, thanks, brother. Nice boots. Cheers, bro. Just gum boots, brother. My preferred kind of footwear to wear here. in Aotearoa. So what I'm doing now is just starting the design to our taratara akoi, and the wood is very dry. See, I don't know if you can see it, but it's breaking. So what I might have to do is hit it with some linseed, because I don't have a smaller V chisel. Discovered LAB because of you, man. Hey, Chew and Wheku, bro, they're a good band, eh? Spooky Thick, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it, man. Just, if you don't have to renew, you look after yourself, eh? First. And if you have money and you're thinking of subbing to me, go and get some pies instead. Pie is good. Do you enjoy hitting the gym and weightlifting? Yeah, bro. The world needs more people like you. Oh, thanks, Feroxenium. Man, you didn't have to give those and say that. You could have said that without those bits, my friend. What are you rubbing on the wood? Linseed oil, just to loosen up the grain. I'm Sinner. Thanks for the sub. Didn't have to. Because I don't have the actual size chisel I need for the design, and the wood itself is quite brittle, or dry, just break the coating and use linseed oil. Put in those Grand Theft Auto cheat codes. Up, down, down, out. Something. Sakuya, thanks for the sub. If you're new here, you can just watch. It's totally fine. So what you do, you put those Grand Theft Auto cheat codes in and tell the wood who's boss. Oh crap, who's this? I never had a little lamb. Oh bro. Well, oh sister, man, you didn't have to do that. You can just watch for free. But once again, thank you. Even though I want you to look after yourselves, you gotta say thank you, eh? Like, and anything that's given to you, whether you want it or not. Gotta acknowledge those that are showing love and support. Because that's the... Oh, I'm just gonna say this, it's the Broxh way for me. Are you cooking it now? 12? Left front B, start. What's that cheat code? Mothers that like to stop all the cops from following you. This is so satisfying. Oh, cheers, bro. So what I'm doing right now, man, is just setting up our design on the arm of the figure. Just had to use linseed oil to loosen up the grain of the wood because I don't have the right size chisel to do small cuts. I might have just got myself doing this design, but I will overcome and adapt. Hey. Ooh. Okay, there we go. Just taking your time, that's all you have to do, no matter what you do. Just make sure it's right for you. Just making sure I get a good angle on it. I'm actually right behind the camera. There you go. Posture check for the bro. Broxh, you should make a Minecraft server. I'm not actually out here trying to play Minecraft just yet, brother. Maybe in the future. Okay. Oh, fuck. Did you start on Minecraft? No, not yet. I'm not looking at that game just yet. Maybe for the future, just to play with everyone that watches. Lukey Sykes, thank you very much for the sub, man. You didn't have to. Yeah, I keep getting a lot of DMs asking when I'm opening donations. I don't know. It's not actually. I don't know. Nexus, thanks for the sub as well. Didn't have to. You can just watch. Okay, let's go. Just gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this, that's all. Gotta swap my mallet out first. Taiaha for sharing is so relaxing. Oh, all good, man. Dummy Thick Duck. Cheers for the sub, man. You didn't have to. How come you choose not to have a sub? What's it? No donation, but no, it's just rather see people look after themselves first with what's going on. I've been getting a lot of people like private message me saying you should turn it on now, you've left it off long enough, or turn it on, we want to support you. I was like, okay, so just go one day. Looking more red today, maybe less sun or something. Oh, it's just got linseed oil on it, but yeah, no sun today, brother. Muffin Cakes, thanks for the sub. Didn't have to. You can just watch. It is totally fine. Oh fuck, here we go. Oh, who is this anonymous person? Hello, Mr. Anonymous person. Thank you very much. Whoever you are. I don't know who you might be, eh? Jeez. You didn't have to. Who is this anonymous person? Oh my gosh. No way, called me a pig, man. Came in just to call me a pig, man. I think he forgot to put his hemorrhoid cream on this morning or something, because man, that fella was in a bad mood. I think he was meant to say Pog. Well, if he messages me saying otherwise, we'll soon see. How far is the I key from the O? Cool. Oh well, if he messages me saying, oh, I was meant to say Pog. Okay, I'll unban you. Sure, I'm here. Right next to it. Oh, okay. Oh well. few messages. Yeah, that day. You don't have a donation button. Yeah, I don't. I just turned it on my birthday. Just the day where it's about me. Can you tell the person to stop using their weed whacker? Oh, they're alright. You should have said it yesterday. Yo, E-Pug, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. You're trending everywhere. Oh, I didn't even know, brother. I don't even look for myself, eh? I don't necessarily like to Google myself because that's cringe in my opinion. Ooh, we got something from Thunder. Let's have a look. Hey, yeah, bro. We've got the eyebrow going on. E-Park, Lost Sanity and Galleon. Yo, are you a Beyblades fan there, Galleon? Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. When you're streaming well, when I know how to stream off the stream pack, brother, that goes into the computer with my 3 HDMI cables and a 4K splitter. I'm not computer savvy, brother, so yeah. I mean, I would. Kevin Revner, thank you for the sub, brother. Love from Iceland. Hey, Otis. Chew, brother. Thank you for the sub, Kevin. You didn't have to, brother. It's totally fine just to watch, but much love, brother. Thank you, High Up French, and I love what you do. Keep going. Quick steal. Appreciate it, brother. You didn't have to give bits, man. It's totally fine. Are you Roman Reigns? Ooh, nah, I'm not. I'm from Mount Eden. Kia ora, bro. Now, if we have anyone watching that should be doing their schoolwork or study or watching in class, you just have to go. Go do your schoolwork first. JJ Zols, thanks for subbing, brother. Didn't have to. In the NBA tomorrow. Chew, NBA back. I couldn't be in here. Oh, Chew is I'm from TikTok. Hey, Chew, Bear Villiam. Man, sorry about my trash ass video. Anyone in chat a fan of the TV show Hunting Aotearoa? Me! Pick me! I am. So we're just trying to get this spiral going on. Whew. Man, this is so hard, eh? But I'll get there. Gotta do one more side and then we just do these parts here. But what usually opens up the design and the spiral here is the notches we put in. What does DT on the end of my mallet stand for? That thumb? Nah, it's my initials, brother. That shoes? No. Damn tough. Are you gonna watch the NBA restart tomorrow? Maybe. Depends if Steven Adams is on. I only watch him now. I'll have to go to the TAB. From Norway, I find New Zealand carvings awesome. Keep it up. Oh, thanks, King of Sweden. True, brother. Sweden. True, brother. Talofa from Samoa. Keep up the good vibes, mate. Hey, Captain Kraken. Much love, my brother. You didn't have to do that, man. Appreciate it though, swly. Yeah, made me smile today. Today was the day I needed to smile. Nice, GSH. That's the one, brother. Yeah, I don't know who this anonymous gifter is, eh? For all we know, could be anyone. And they don't like listening to me. Fuck. Let's try and get a good whack in today. In terms of this. If I could have Te motu toku o tiriro Oh no why. Thank you guys. Does not play until Saturday. Okay, 3 days. You know the Noho Tima Black Whanau from Rotoki. Yep. Haven't seen them in a while though. I hardly go to Rua anymore. I'm from Ruatahuna, brother. Yeah, I'm from most of Tūhoi. Well, all, I should say, not most. Aloha, Razy boy. Okay, I'm gonna chuck some notches in and see what it looks like. Land of Ireland. Hey, how the fuck are you, my brother? Who the fuck is that guy? Okay, play it smart, play it smart. Here we go. Whew. Whiri Mako's mine. Oh, true, that's your queer brother. True. Not me, bro. Yeah, my whānau down there, the Biddles, bro. Well, quite a few whānaus actually. And the Thrups. Love the Irish accent. I try. I'm not that good though. I'm from Edinburgh, Scotland. Hey, brother. Love seeing where everyone's from, eh? It's cool. Probably one of my favourite parts about Twitch is seeing where everyone is from. Okay. The Irish accent was quality. Oh. How long would it take to make an entire piece like one you're working on about? So if I wasn't doing this off stream, brother, I can finish this in like a few days. Maybe 4. Yeah. So just knuckling down really and just focusing on the wood. I mean, I could do it on stream, but I feel rude, eh? Not talking. And that's one of the aspects that I love about Twitch is connecting with people, not being a snob. Shrimp nut. Just making sure I didn't miss something. Shrimp nut. Metro Splinter and McKnight's gifting a sub. Thank you guys. Ngā mihi nui ki a kōrua, thank you very much. If you guys are new here, you just can come watch. It's all good. Nazaren aloha. Have you ever done any architectural work? Talk about a wharenui. Yeah, I've been a part of a meeting house. Not so much the process of it being built, but I've done some carvings for it, brother. Like from the ground up. Hopefully one day though, I would love to be a part of that type of project that will benefit an entire tribe for many generations. Because that's what it's all about, eh? Just leaving something here for the current generation. Hopefully they'll grasp it. The fee kicks. Don't ask the subs, man. Obviously, you didn't read the rules. McKnights again with the gifted sub. Didn't have to, brother. Yeah, don't ask for a gifted sub, man. It's against the rules. Everyone knows how I feel about it. Just come and watch. And you make sure if you do get a gifted sub, you say thank you. Good boy. There we go. Just popping these out. Yeah, it's pretty bit of a slow chill process till we get to staining the whole thing. Well, we all know slow and steady wins the race. Well, for me anyway. Did you ever carve a waka? Nah, man. I would love to be a part of that as well. A project of that caliber, just to contribute. Eh? I'll be happy. Whether it be a war canoe or a double hull canoe, the ones that our ancestors navigated on. Just to get that experience under my belt would really be good for myself. But I'm not in a hurry, man. If it comes my way, if I cross paths with it, I cross paths with it. If not, yeah, oh well. It'll happen if it happens. Sonnet said that you're one of the best streamers. We need more people like you because there couldn't be more. Oh, thank you, brother. Hope you're well. Odd Bash. DNLXN, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, my G. Yeah, the DT's my initials. We just have fun with it and say, oh yeah, it's that thumb. Delightful Tapper by one of the viewers as well. I thought that was the winner. So this weekend, guys, I won't be streaming. I'll be out of town. I might try and get another test run in, because I really want to stream well. Oh, and Halo now, because of the brother. Bro, I love Halo Reach, eh? That's one of my favourites. Noble 6, man. $10K viewers, you lying. Jacal, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, my G. Master Chief, yeah. Master Chief, man, he's OP. 117, eh? So I think I've cut most of them, eh? So we might swap over to the Taiaha soon. Oh, not soon, but through the stream as well. Take all the time you need, brother. Oh, thanks, McKnight. Didn't have to give those, brother. Yo, Sog, there's already a Discord, man, G. It's nothing too great, bro. Yeah, no complaints about it so far, so it must be alright. Aloha show you. Thank you for the sub, and Moga's Frog Boot. Thanks for the subs, guys. Watch. I was gonna try and be that guy and not say you don't have to, but yeah, nah, I can't. You don't have to. Just come and watch. Damn, they're going hard on their weed whacker, eh? Hello from Saskatoon. I never realised you're a WoW fan. Yeah, I've been since like Warcraft 3. Didn't start playing WoW till like the end of BC though. Not that good at it though. Just done my second heroic raid last night with the boys. Are they chopping down a forest or something? I feel like they're pretty useless at using one there. They've used it before and far. It took them all day just to mow their lawns. It's like, come on, bruh. Hold on, guys. Okay, we might have our smoko break soon. I don't smoke, it's just like a break. Uja man, thanks for the sub, brother. You can just watch, brother, it's totally fine if you just don't have to sub. Nugget Greg and Army Force, thank you guys for the bits. Oh, come on. Gaijin Creature, Outsider Creature, sorry. With the subs, god damn it, brother. Thank you, man. That's too much, eh? I don't know about you guys, but I think that's too much. So I'll just pop these out. We'll have our first break of the day. Smoko break. And then we'll do a little bit more. And then we'll swap over to the other project I'm doing. A commission piece. Anyone got tips for not being able to sleep? Jeez, yeah. Ask chat, brother. Oh, yeah. I fall asleep pretty easy. There we we go. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go and get some fruit just to eat while we take a break. Hey, chew, Connor! Don't you dare, Connor. Don't you dare. You got what you wanted. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and get me something to eat just for our first break of the stream, and carry on after that. And I'll go. Okay, got my lunch. I don't really see myself as a go-to. Nah, I'm just normal. Okay, let's have an apple and then we'll carry on. Healthy boy. Oh, breezy, I don't know. Wait, how do you do that? You just use your thumb? Like, yeah. How tall are you? I don't know why people keep asking how tall I am. I don't know. I might have to put that in the description. I actually don't know how tall I am because I don't measure myself. There's an ad. Oh, wretched. Mean. What time is it there? So it's just after lunchtime. 10 past. Where's the wood at, bro? Oh, behind me. I'm just having a little break. I do not possess a danger thumb like Hey, Twitch partner, that's that purple ticket. Yep. People are surprised that I don't use it in chat. It's just meh. Still the same person. Right, Cobra, thank you very much, brother. Thanks for subbing. You can just chill. I saw your post on 9 Gauge. I actually haven't been on there, bro. Yeah. What do you do outside of streaming? School or job? I'm 28, bro. I don't go to school. Job, I got made redundant in lockdown, so I don't have a job. Outside of streaming, just chill with my family. Honestly, nothing else exciting outside of that. Love my family. Play games here and there, and don't really go anywhere outside of the city because I don't have a car. Just chill with my family. Got mine today. Chew, brother. Try and chew. You got you some AEG clamps, brother. I've tried the apple thing 5 times now. Oh, it's not that hard. Why you look mad cute? I don't know. Hamid and Jerez, Torres. Thanks for the subs. You can just watch for free. It's fine. But thank you. What was your job before lockdown? I was a carver for a tourism company. Obviously with lockdown happening and our borders being up, recently opened up to Australia, but other than that there's no tourism, there's nothing, so they let us go. Cheer, brother, just... Okay, last one. Okay. You're a legend. No, Connor, you are a legend, brother. Oh, I'm just me, my bro. Do you like coffee? Yeah. Long black with cream. Speenies. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. I missed the split. Oh, yeah. You do have pretty tough looking fingers. So Tet, thanks very much, brother. Got the Triton clamp thing standing in front of you. Oh, gee, yeah. What am I doing with you today? We'll do a bit of the thing first. Yeah, Mrs. Broxh, how tall are you? You always knew. True. I clip all the apple splits. Oh, true, brother. Waking up with you. There you are. Still, put more of this. I'll try and get it done. Broxh is as tall as the tales he tells you. Have you done leatherworking? Nah, man, never. There was someone, a viewer, who showed me his leatherworking. Bro, that looks hard. Really hard. Yeah, it's pretty much just his head and a few little bits here and there. Love the apple split. Oh, thanks, brother. You didn't have to give those bits, brother. You could have said that without them. But thank you, brother. What is this song? I have no idea. Beautiful artwork. Oh, thanks, Miss Dalio. Appreciate it, brother. Yeah, the art form itself is beautiful. Just not in an area I would love to be in terms of execution. I want to get better. Just to let you know, I saw that, Connor. Connor, bro. Oh, jeez. Yeah, we gotta hydrate for the bro too. Sorry guys, I don't know why it turned off, eh? Like the battery turned off, and the camera's still got a bar on it, so I don't know why it turned that off either. Mose 6, thanks for the sub as well, brother. You didn't have to. Yeah, I saw that, Connor. Thank you though, brother. You're a top man, my bro. We gotta hydrate for the bro too. Can you show the camera you're using? I can't, because I'm using it. Long time ago, my brother. First time viewer, glad to be here after seeing you on YouTube. Well, Brogan B, you joined at a good time because we just cut out before. A keg of hydration. Yeah, you joined at a good time, bro. I hope we don't cut out again. I feel like it's gonna skamaz me again because it does it all the time. How's the corona situation in New Zealand? It's not too bad now. It was pretty tough when it started hitting us pretty hard, eh? In terms of the job layoffs and all that. That was the hardest thing to watch. Like all the families around me, and then myself, and then others that I know as well. Biff, thanks for the sub. Another gifted sub from Connor, and you're gonna. Nah, we won't ban him for that. Okay, my smoker time. Hey, chew Fanta. Okay, so you know how the wood was brittle and all? See, a piece is broken off from the split there. Unfortunately, we can't replace that. I mean, we could dig deeper, but it means we've got to drop everything else. What do you guys want to do? Leave it there, or we'll dig deeper and fix it? Yo, Brogan B, thanks for the sub, brother. Bro, you didn't have to do that, my bro. You can watch for free. Take care, bro. Yeah, true, Connor. Leave it, bro. Yeah, we got heaps of leave it. Dig deeper. We got one dig deeper. It adds character. We got heaps of. Looks like leave it's gonna win in the end, guys. Okay. We'll just pretend that he's the equivalent to Roronoa Zoro, but just a bit shy of his eye where it got cut. Can you do throw? I don't carve anything outside of my culture, brother. Yeah. Yeah, we'll just leave it there. That just creates more work. Fella just for kicks don't know how to spell wood. Weed. I hope you're good, my bro. I hope you're not watching from work, because that would not be good. Okay. Let's carry on, mate. Rizzy boy. Cheer, brother, for doing that. You didn't have to, my brother. How do you want it? How do you feel? I can just hide with power. cash, move everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar bill, yo. That was a good Wu-Tang song.
Genesis is powering Emirates Team New Zealand.
Let's
go talk to one of the brains behind the operation. So, Grant, what have you been working on?
It's my jam, G. I'd so use this as a hardwood. As an intro, if the bro let me. Dreaming time. What I like, now I'm falling. Say my name like I had never before. What it feels it all. Now I'm falling. Should have put attention. You know you can get whatever you want from me. Whatever you want it, baby. It's you and my attention. I'm afraid of all the things you could do to me. If I would have known it, baby, because I would have stayed at home. I was doing better alone, but when you stayed good, I knew that was the end of it all. I should have stayed at home. Am I falling in love with the one that would break my heart all alone? I was doing better alone. This is such a good song. Am I falling in love with the one? Oh, pizza. Okay, extra long break. Sorry guys. This is Broxh made pizza. Oh, I want a piece because it looks yum. Oh, I'll just eat it over there. Sorry guys. Oh, is this whole thing?
The president is creating a
I just want to show the chat what he did.
Space Force.
Check that out, guys.
What?
I don't want to eat by the time. I'll save one off camera and then we'll carry on.
Are you
I'll wait
so
for you.
upset about the button covers? $1,000 for a plastic button cover? That's insane! Sorry.
Oh, so good. Healthy one. Okay, let's carry on. Sorry. It was too good not to show. Yep, that was pineapple. I know we have some anti-pineapple protesters in the chat, but oh well. If it's yum and it gets me full, I don't care. Controversial. Did you sell carvings or did you do carvings to the tourist company? Yeah, so I was on display. I was doing carvings for them and doing a live display at the same time for the tourists as they come in and getting them to have a go. Some were a bit shy, but once they started getting into it, they enjoyed it. Because that's the main thing, eh? You want to engage with them in terms of carving, just so they get a better appreciation for it if they did it. And something we were supposed to do is once we finished the piece, so we took down their names and what country they were from, and we're going to upload it to Instagram and put their names under it as kind of like a worldwide contribution to the piece right up until it's installed. That was the idea we had. But yeah, thanks to COVID, next minute. Sustenance is sustenance. Yes, my brother. Definitely. Yes, so that was a little idea we had around carving and tourism as well. But I mean, Te Puia does it as well. They have live carving displays of all the boys that are learning, like where I was, where I went to learn. It's just part of it. Deku tree. Preacher, my brother. Oh, gee. Horde or Alliance? Horde, brother. But I play Alliance now, sadly. Hello, tripod. Welcome. I'm just trying to get a good angle because it's hard in here. Oh, and I did sneak off the side of the camera to have another bite. I might have to turn it around here. Peanut butter, honey, and banana sandwiches are good. Ooh! Anything with peanut butter, eh? I'm sold. I'm all about that peanut butter. Do you know what I miss playing on stream? Toss your coin to your witcher. Quickly, thanks for subscribing. Shit. Didn't have to, man. Can watch for free, but thank you very much. Sorry guys, I'm in the way. I just gotta try and get this angle, eh? Just taking my time so I don't fuck it up. There we go. Let's go. Oh, come on. Thixer, you have a good day too, brother. Thank you for being here. Robman FTK, thank you for that, brother. Shit, you didn't have to do that, my man. And, said her. Oh, jeez. Thanks for the gifteds, man. I appreciate it, but just remember, you don't have to do that. Look after yourself too, brother. Toss a sub to your Twitcher. Just, oh, thank you. I'm a Twitcher. And then go. Can you chisel my body? Oh, jeez. That doesn't sound erotic at all. Andre, thanks for the sub as well. Be my dad, but I'm having a hard time with one. How do you donate? We don't have a donation link, brother. If you're new, my bro, so the reason why it's not there is just with COVID, eh? But I know with these few months that I've been streaming, I have been convinced by a few just to get it. I have an interview for a job tomorrow. Any tips? Dress nicely, scrub up well, dress shirt or dress pants or whatever, depends what job you're doing. That's what I would do. Have your CV ready. Tea baggins, can I please buy something on mahi? Yeah bro, at the moment bro, I gotta focus on the current commission I have. I've been doing bits of it here and there off stream, but I need to hurry up because it's at the end of next month. Where's the enemy, guys? Where's the enemy? Tell them you know Broxh and you'll get the CEO job. Voltzies, thanks for the sub, brother. If you're new here, my bro, you can just watch for free, brother. It is totally fine. Well, thank you, brother. Oh, this is a bit of a hard area. Okay, hold on, guys. Just gonna move it out. Just so we're not mucking around on this bit. Shopkeeper next. Hey. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna try and smash this out as fast as I can. There you go. Fresh fade on Whakairo. Modding for Broxh, get you CEO of Earth. Okay. Notches. Who suggested just for kicks for mod? It was me. Because of cheer, low slow. You have a good one, brother. Hey man, I finally got to catch one of your streams. Cheers from Norway, by the way. Hey Luna, cheer brother, welcome. Minor soundtrack instrumental version. I don't believe we're allowed to play movie music, but I mean game music we're allowed. I want to play some league music. This is my boy right here. My nationality, Maori. I'm not really sure about my dad's side other than him being Maori, but I think his mum is part Scandinavian. I have to go and see her. I don't really talk to my dad that much anymore. But I still talk to Nan. Good, Dweebo. Oh, yeah, we had a big disconnect, but other than that, yeah. Normie? Cheer, monkey. Have a good day, brother. Vivek Babloon. Cheer, brother. No dono, brother? Nah, not yet. Ooh, okay. How do I answer that? Are you wholesome? Nah, I'm just me. I'll say that. I don't know how to answer that. Saludos from Ecuador. Hey, brother. Okay, so we're gonna pop all these out now, and I'll put one on the other side. Okay. What do you do if you accidentally crack the wood? You carry on, brother. We don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. Okay, let's put these up. Mezzo and seen another one. Oh shit. Mezzo, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, my man. You can watch for free. It is totally fine. But I appreciate it, brother. Lil baby, Rizzy boy. I saw another one. And Lil baby again. Holy shit. Thank you, guys. You didn't have to do that. Appreciate it. Oh, sure, you on tomorrow night, brother? Bro, I'm definitely there. Did I miss any apple splits? Yeah, bro, you did. Apple split content, eh? You know how I've been walking off the camera now and again? I've been eating that pizza. Fuck, it's so good. And it's healthy. Nice thin base. Oh god. Alpha. Type 1 Serrano. I hope I said that right. Thank you guys for the subs. And then we come to Alex, who gifted some subs as well. 5 to be exact. Jesus, brother, that's heaps. You didn't have to do that, guys. Jeez, Alex. Black Sail soundtrack. It's Gangplank's theme song. Okay guys, when we finish this arm, I'm going to walk off the camera again. I'm going to change the song, but really it's going to have a piece of pizza. So just so you know, thought I'd tell the truth. I like the pattern. What is it called? So this pattern is called Totara Archive, brother. So it tells the story of an ancestor by the name of... Hang on, I'll just do this. Of Tinido, sorry, who had a pet whale. And his wife went into labour one day. And they needed help, and this priest by the name of Kai offered his help to deliver the baby. Now the only thing was they couldn't see his face, it was covered, but what they noticed about him was his teeth. Quite a jagged, rotten, overlapping. You choose, they weren't the best looking teeth, a bit like mine. So they delivered the baby successfully. Now the only thing he asked for in terms of payment was to use his whale to get home. And then he goes, oh yeah, why not? Use my whale. And sorry I'm missing your guys' comments, I just want to tell the story for the brother. Yeah, so he offered his whale to him to take him back home. The one thing he said was do not force him to travel into the shallows. Otherwise, obviously, we know a whale will die. But he didn't listen. So he took the whale back to his tribal lands, forced it up into the shallows, and it eventually died. And Kai's tribe ended up eating him. Eating the whale, using his bones as tools and other sorts of things as well. And as the days flow by, he got worried for his pet whale. He wondered where it could be, and he went to the tribal area he was from. And he saw what happened, and his heart dropped for the love of his pet whale. But then he got angry, as anyone would, who owns whatever pet it would be. I mean, no one owns a whale these days, but yeah. And so he went back to his partner and asked if he could help plan Kai's demise. They were going to try to kill him. Oh well, they did, but carrying on. And so Tinido asked his sister if he could help him come up with a plan of how they could kill him. So what they did, he got his sister, his sister, his partner, and 2 other ladies, and they jumped in the canoe, took Tinido as well, and they travelled over to where he was, and but he hid in the canoe, so he pretended like it was just the girls in there, and as they did, they wooed him. Like took their shirts off, and then you can imagine how much of a big smile he had. And then they identified him straight away, and that's when Tinido jumped out of his canoe and killed him. As utu is what we call it in our native tongue, or payment for killing his pet whale. So yeah, and the design, so the notches represent the teeth of him. Yeah, man. Okay, geez, sorry, I missed so much comments, eh? Oh, the frickin' Tobias Fate. Damn, that's easy. Does he still play League? I haven't seen his streams in a long time. Nick PV, I'm just going back because I missed a lot of comments. Thanks for the bits, brother, and your comments as well. You didn't have to give those, brother. You Vain Bolt. Nice name, brother. Appreciate it, my man. But just remember to look after you guys' selves, too. Always remember, look after yourselves too. I can't sub because it's not letting me. I'll try. Nah, don't that. Just come watch. Thanks for the description. And take that in. Yeah, pretty much, bro. Gave him the 1-2. How's your father? And he's not here anymore. That's what I was going to play. Hold on. Who here is playing Ghost of Tsushima in Kurosawa mode? He's much grumpier man now though. True, brother. Yeah, I haven't watched him in a long time, eh?
Haven't played Crossout before? Now is the time.
Yeah,
Crossout is a
YouTube,
free action-packed game where you craft,
You hate to hear it. Aloha from Hawaii. Hey, brother. Wheku, hot dog water, noodles NZ, I'm RXN, and Thofa. Thank you guys for subbing. You did not have to, eh? I know you get sick of me saying that, but I'll say it all the time. All the time. But thank you guys. Appreciate it. Oh jeez, you Vane coming in with the bits as well. Shit, bro. Thank you for telling me that my name is nice. Such a friendly streamer deserves it. Ah. Thanks you Vane. You didn't have to do that though. Do you play League or watch any? I started playing it again because of that Yasuo cinematic. It got me pretty good, eh? And then yeah, I started playing again with my cousin, and then he gifted me Spirit Blossom and Yasuo. I was like, oh, I'm an absolute bin with him, but I mean I play Ornn, Volibear and Galio, so it's way out of the characters I play. But keen to learn them though. Hey man, just seen a video of you on Facebook and all the cool guy, how did you happy day? Definitely gonna give you a follow. It looks crazy good. My father's a joiner. Oh, true brother. I was like woodworking, carving and stuff. I don't have much money, but I totally would if I could. It's sure deserve my guy. Thank you for your doing, my brother, and stay safe. Much love, my dude, all the way from the UK. Yo, Toxic Viking, brother. Bro, it's all good, brother. You can watch for free. But thank you for sharing that, brother. If you still dabble in that, brother, join the Discord. We have an art section. That's where I mainly aim all the time, just checking out how good everyone is. There's some damn talent here, man. Straight up. But much love, brother. Hammy Sam, thank you for the sub, brother. You did not have to, my bro. You can just watch. It's totally fine. And then we have Hannah's live. Hannah live. Holla at Doctor. Keep up the good work, mate. Thank you guys. Use the net to sub. Appreciate it though, guys. It's under exclamation mark socials. I heard someone's plays Galio. Love Galio. Best protector out there. Yeah, he's one of my favourites, man. Has been since before they reworked him. And I think they made him even cooler just the way he is. I'm a big man with big knees. Yeah, he's one of my favourites just because of the way he is. So we'll cut in there. Hey, Jeffa Cake Stew, brother. Hey, I'm Neo Kid from YouTube. Hello, Vortex Stag. Hooey, that name. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna cut this line here. So this music is just Ghost of Tsushima music. Okay. I fought a house once. I think I won. Yeah, man. He's cool. I love Galio. Ghost of Tsushima is so fun. Yeah, bro. I'm loving it too. I haven't even touched the main story. Still in the first area. Just trying to unlock the stances and do some side missions. Just want to really enjoy the game here. I feel like it's going to be a game of the year, I would say. Unless, yeah, I reckon. I mean, I know, could be wrong. Never know. If I ever, like, play Minecraft, that does sound like a cool idea. I mean, I gotta learn how to play it with you guys first, because I've never played it. This was school Zoom. Giorgio Pub, PUBG. Now, brother, because you're in school, brother, I'm gonna have to ask you to please focus on your schoolwork, please, brother. Even if it's a Zoom call, my bro, yeah, knuckle down on your schoolwork. I'll definitely be here more than today, brother. Please, brother, if you can, do it for me. But most of all, do it for yourself, brother. Non-E slidey in place? Bro, I probably butchered that name so hard, eh? Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Galio and volley are so unique. I enjoy playing them also. Not such a fan of the volley rework. Yeah, it's a bit different, eh? That's just me. You should stream League. Yeah, one day. I'm not really good at it, though. I'm a bit of a bin at it, eh? I mean, I just got... There's other chaps I play other than those three, but there's 3 favourites that I like. Now, it's probably pretty obvious, but I like playing Rengar too. I want to try Set. He looks fun. Finally had time to join the stream. Hey Theo, chill brother. I'm just designing, bro. So just trying to get this piece done up the top. Ooh. Yeah, I like Rengar. He's a lion-looking fella and he's a hunter. How could I not? Yeah, I want to try Set. He looks fun. Just power bombing people. Georgie, don't worry about it, eh? You just go do your schoolwork, please, brother. Broxh, what's your league name? Broxh, with no underscore. Dylan, don't show him. Sid's getting nerfed again, and he's in school, so he shouldn't be subbing. How about Fallout? Yeah, bro. Yeah, I used to play Fallout too, even though that was for Big Boy. Can you say what's your culture? I don't mind me asking. If you know. Yeah, it's so the Maori culture, bro. We're like the native people to New Zealand. So we migrated here from Hawaii Nui, which is within the Polynesian Triangle. So there are like remnants of where our people were throughout the Polynesian Triangle, right out to South America as well, where we received the kumara, or the sweet potato. Some other tribes have their own variation of where they found it as well. Yeah, just focus on studying, please, bro. Don't sub. That's more important than watching me, man. There'll be plenty of time to watch, brother. What are you creating right now? So what I'm doing, brother, is designing one of the sections of our Wheku mask. So you'll traditionally find these masks at the apex of our meeting houses. So they're usually ancestral meeting houses. Well, they are, sorry, not usually. And the meeting house itself is likened to that of the human anatomy. So you'll mainly find these carvings here at the apex of the meeting house. So I'll put it up for you so you can see. So for the brother and anyone else that might be interested in seeing it. Was the computer good? It's great. It's still going. Grateful either way from the brother. Thanks for asking. Big Boy Bones, thanks for subbing, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. We got an upside down smiley face going down. So would you put it over the door on the top? No, sorry, how a traditional meeting house is built. Oh, how they are built, sorry. So you'd have your amo, which are the legs of the house. Now they stand straight up. And then you have your maihis, which are the barge boards on the top. They sit at the top. They pan down, go behind the amos. So it'll be like that. And on the angle, and on the ends of the rapa, which are the fingertips, so they'll be at the end, so that's how they're built. And obviously with the head at the apex. So that's where these carvings go. That's where they're usually mounted. They go on Whakairo as well, which is gateways, which is built in the similar way. And that's where you usually find these carvings. But this won't be going on any meeting house. Yeah. Wofa, ooh, we got a bit of a alliance person in here. Shot Luther for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. Did you play The Witcher? Yeah, man. I got it on my PlayStation, eh? I want to stream that again. I really want to stream and play it again, sorry. Cheer, Kirklet. You have a good one, man. Have a good sleep. Do these get painted? Usually carvings that are outside will be painted. Mainly because, you know, the elements, they're exposed to them for the rest of the duration of their lifespan, I would say. Just your normal house paints. Usually we coat them in timber lock first, just to seal it, give it an extra few years. And then your normal house paints. So the particular paint that we used in days of old was known as kokowai. Now the rest of the world knows it as red ochre clay, and where you can find this in certain parts of New Zealand. Like there's a place here at Te Puia. I should have showed it when I was up there, but there's along the mountain here, there's like an exposed cliff face where red ochre clay falls off all the time, and it's along the sides of the tracks as well. And what they would do is let it dry out in the sun so it becomes brittle, and then you mash it down into a powdered form. And then what our ancestors used to use to turn it into like a paint-like substance was use red ochre, so that's our thing, and then get shark liver oil. Now they were hard to come by. I mean, who gets a shark these days, eh? Even in those days as well. So they'd use shark liver oil, hang it up in the tree with a draining pot or a hui. It's like a gourd. You just chop the top off, empty out the insides and let it drain. And two other materials was, like blubber from a seal or a whale. Now when a whale was beached, there was a lot of resources, and yeah, they even had to do prayers. They just would die peacefully and thank Tangaroa, the god of the sea, that we are about to harvest his child, I would say. So what they would do is mix the clay that's in the powdered form with the oil or the blubber, start mixing it together, and then it forms like a paint-like substance. And then, yeah, covering the entire carving. So that's the main colour we use for all our meeting houses. Like there's two videos on YouTube of me at Te Puia and Whakatane, and you'll notice it's the same colour we use. Now there's different shades of pioneer red that the paint's called, but yeah, that's the main colour. And with that, so another one that's been used as well, so if the meeting house in days of old was broken beyond repair, and they had to replace all the carvings, they would actually dip them into the swamps of our country, well, of the land, because all the bacteria can't go through the water and the mud to get to the wood to break it all up. So they stayed preserved. Like even today with the new like buildings going up and whatnot, unearthing swamps, they're finding all these old carvings as well. And yeah, they still have the colour on them too. And another one as well, being here in Rotorua, Mount Tarawera, when it erupted many years ago from all the ash cloud. We went to Auckland Museum into the archive section, and we seen these old carvings from here that still had volcanic ash on them. And we would kind of step back and, oh, I don't want to touch that. Yeah. But yeah, that's something on the paint. Jeez, sorry for missing your guys' comments too. When I dive in, I dive. Okay, so we just got to acknowledge everyone now. Just going back, just making sure, that's all. Okay, SJ Barinka Art, thank you very much for the bits. Now if you're new here, you can just comment without using bits. But thank you very much. I don't know if anyone asked this but since you're a WoW fan, you ever played Dota? Yeah bro, I played Dota. I don't think I know any WoW player from back in the day that hasn't played Dota. This man helped me not commit suicide, and I'm serious. Unclick a Jill. Okay, brother. You all good though? Let me know. Let us know, eh? It's the last thing we want, brothers, for you to do that. But if you want, you can message me. Uncle Gajil. I hope I said that right too. Yeah, as long as you're alright, brother. Because your ancestors ain't ready to see you yet. Jandals, thanks for the sub, brother. And oh, we got this anonymous person again gifting bits. You did not have to, Mr. or Mrs. Anonymous, whoever you are. And Seb as well. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. But just remember, your guys' health is more important too. Did you watch the Izzy fight? Yeah, I mean, anyone in NZ wouldn't have missed that. So yeah, that was just a little bit on the paint that we used. So I hope there wasn't too much of an overload. It's just a little bit really. But, yeah. Let me just have water. So you should show how you sharpen your chisels. Get to buy chisels. What would you recommend? So if you join the Discord, brother, I linked where I get my chisels from. I'll be using some of the sub money that you guys are doing just to get new tools. I can't really get a sharpening wheel because I carve it in an open shed, and if I leave it out, surely some sneaky bugger will come up and take it. And there's no room for it inside. Airy, thank you very much as well. You didn't have to. So every New Zealand people know the haka. Not every person, just Maori. I mean, there's some outside of our people here that know the haka. But there's also some outside of our country that have nothing to do with our culture that are abusing it for their own capital gain. Like we noticed, I found this page of this Brazilian couple trying to teach the haka and stomping on it, a sacred thing to our people. Can you not use just sharpening stones? Yeah, I gotta buy one. I'll be straight up disrespectful. Yeah, but I mean, you can report them so much and Instagram does nothing, and then it's like the situation on YouTube. It's like you do so much for so little in terms of trying to report people. But oh well, we just don't worry about it. We know we can do it better. We know it belongs to us. You have the most likes on YouTube from NZ that I've ever seen. Oh, you should see Quinn. I think he's got more. I actually haven't seen if Quinn does have a YouTube. Watching from Argentina. Hey, brother. Okay, so we might start moulding the other side. I can't really mould the forehead till we get the other side too. Great hairstyle. Thanks, brother. Okay, let me get a chisel. Loose Juju, thank you very much, man. Geez, you didn't have to do that. What happened? Did someone host us? Where did all these people come from? Holy crap. Peaches, thanks for the bits. You didn't have to do that. Bluff Dark Fox as well. You can just watch for free, eh? Bro, it's all good. These are too kind. Okay, well let's yeah, that's an aeroplane. currently working on an art piece. I came here to relax a bit. Oh, nice, brother. What are you doing? If you don't mind me asking. Bro, I love seeing what people do in terms of art, eh? Whatever they love to do. Just be sure to let us have a look, brother. Okay, there it is. Sounds like Chaos Bolt. That's a warlock thing? Bro, I was getting camped so hard from a damn warlock last night, eh? Filthy spell checker. Do you have a sculpture room for your art? I don't have a room, but Instagram. That's about it, brother. Yeah, I don't have a room, brother. So I'm renting, bro, so I can't really do much in terms of the house itself. Don't want to, just in case I get in trouble, if I ever did. 3 times while staring at the thumb will gain enough power to split an apple with your thumb. Have you lived in NZ your whole life? Yeah, pretty much, brother. I've never left the country, never travelled, brother. Never. One thing I would love to go to one day is a PAX in Melbourne. Obviously you can't go to Melbourne because they've got it quite bad over there. Gank to your nan. Oh, that doesn't sound nice. Thanks for the sub, brother. Interesting name as well. You're missing something, bro. Oh, I don't know what it could be. Where did I learn how to carve like that? From my uncle, brother. It's just a matter of carrying it on after I finished primary school. Or high school, really. Don't say choo-choo. I went to PAX last year in Melbourne. How was it, bro? So before I even think of travelling outside of ANZ, I really want to go to a PAX. Oh, come on. Winden, holy cow. Thanks, brother. You didn't have to do that, man. You can just watch. Bloody hell, brother. But congratulations to those that received the gifted sub from the brother. Once again, brother, you can watch for free. Oh, thank you, brother. Okay, let me try and give this name a go. Kranganavuna Hammerstein. Kanga Narvon Hammerstein. There we go. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, my man, as well. You can just watch. It's totally fine. But thank you, brother. And also, Kalayton. Hey, brother. Thanks, man. You didn't have to do that either. But thank you, guys. So, no, never mind. Yeah. I'm just trying to get this round. Damn seagulls again. Bro, you could be a feature PAX, my G. Oh. I don't know. As long as they got well stuff there, man, I'm happy. I'll be so happy if they got wow stuff there. How long have you grown your hair for? Looks great. Currently growing mine out, going for a John Wick. Look nice, brother. Could you show me your hair? Okay. Poseidon Crunker, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Since you asked nicely. Here we go. I'll show you my hair, brother. I've been growing it for since 2014, but I've been cutting it, the ends now and again. Yeah. That's it, though. It's my hair, brother. Yeah. Yeah, so like 2014 I started growing my hair. Your hair's 10 out of 10. Nah. Can I please touch bun? Undertaker. Looks like Maui. I'm gonna change the song. Be back soon. I'm just behind you guys. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna tie my hair up now. Looks like BFA throw. Oh yeah, I was gonna say, hey, isn't he bald? That'll be so hard to do his hair though. You have to like split it. Hey. And then tie it back. Not that, but yeah. Ocean Squad, yo, cheer, brother. Thanks for the sub, my bro. You didn't have to. Oh, I see. Is that a young carny, mate? There we go. Okay, what was I doing? Oh, cleaning. Let's carry on. Let's go. VadeFact TV, thanks for the sub, brother. If you're new here, my man, you can watch for free. It is totally fine. Gonna bounce and go read. See you later. Cheer, big boy Roman. Cheer, brother. You have a good one. Thanks for dropping in, my bro. What is the time? Oh, jeez. Xerneas. Oh, come on, brother. Fuck. Jeez, my bro. Thank you, brother. Fuck, you didn't have to do that. Appreciate it, brother. Just yeah, look after yourself too, my bro. I've gotta go. It's like 3 AM. You're gonna have a good sleep, brother. But I appreciate you being here, my bro. Much love. Oh, I'm carving and the camera's looking right at me. I was like, Yeah, my idol. I'll try and be the best idol I can for you, brother. Here, Broxh, I'm back. Zoom in. Oh, that's good, brother. As long as it's finished. Chat, so you know all your bits go towards conditioner for boxes here. Yo, I see Miro emotes as well. I'm not gonna lie, so what I do is I use shampoo for my scalp and then conditioner halfway right to the ends, and then once I finish drying my hair after my shower I use dry conditioner. Thanks, brother Xerneas, appreciate it, brother. Just remember, yeah, look after yourself too. Is that a new phone? Nah, it's still my old beat up S7, brother. I won't get a new phone till it dies, eh? Like, I mean, it works perfectly fine. It is on its way out, but it still works. Which is always good. What shampoo do you use? Pantene. This man knows what's up. Yeah, so you can either like wash the dry conditioner out or leave it in. Does Mrs. Broxh get jealous of your hair? We should ask her. I'm gonna ask her. She said no, Chip. She said no. What? Yours is better, but you got more dandruff than I do. Nah, stuff you. Georgie Pub, all good, brother. You have a good one, eh? Had to get it with that one, Chip. Okay, I gotta turn it around just so I can work from a better angle. Your man saw this on TikTok. Hey, true, brother. Shots fired. Yeah, definitely. We always roast each other. That escalated quickly. Clip this for evidence. Clip it. Dude got burned by Broxh. Nah, that's my partner, bro. Mrs. Broxh. She's watching. Oh, Zernius, man. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. You didn't have to do that, bro. You've done enough, man. Jando out of nowhere incoming. Oh, it's probably going to be like a rolling pin. Hey, babe. What would be your ideal thing to throw at me right now? Bottle. What? Or a shoe? Oh, how vintage. My nan used to throw shoes at me when she was growling me. Because I had no ears. So they asked, glass or plastic? She said glass. Oh, Jake, stop lying, filthy liar. Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Okay, that'll need to go in. Oh! You had that whole time to aim and you still missed.
I just said they were like that, but I didn't get you.
That's alright, your throwing arm is still as trash as ever. You bin. True, dweebo. Well, one thing's for sure, she's a liar, because it was a plastic bottle. Isn't a jandal the traditional domestic violence weapon? Oh, wow. That was pretty funny though, gave me a fright. Yeah. Oh, that looks amazing. Oh, thank you, brother. We're getting there. She's allowed to miss. She's making a person. You are true, Bonfire. Polar Ferrari, brother. Thanks for subbing, my bro. You didn't have to. That is too true, my bro. Next we shatter a bottle on the concrete. Okay guys, before we end today too, not yet, I've got another apple on the side. So what's up bro? Chat bro, thanks for the sub my bro. Didn't have to my bro, you can just watch for free. Right from Aotearoa as well man, gumboots the most comfiest things to wear, you know it my bro. These are the Air Force Ones. Do you make mistakes sometimes? Yeah bro, all the time. You don't make mistakes, you make adjustments. Finally I get to see you live. Hey, what's up bro? It's your brother. When you're starring at Broxh the demigod. Oh, staring. Oh, I'm no demigod brother. Maui's a demigod. Damn, that needs to come right in. Oh. Usually you can just sit down and do this, but I hate sitting down because then you start getting lazy. Stand up. Hold on guys. Mate. Yo Fate. My wife only throws shade and that still hurts. Yo, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. You didn't have to, though, brother. You're straight up the Bob Ross of carving, and I love it. Oh, thanks, brother. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, he is the man. Like, bro, watching him recently. So what I'm thinking of doing every weekend is just hosting Bob Ross's channel. Just so no one's sitting in the channel. Yeah, no, I don't really care about fame. Well, just, I mean, it won't help what I'm doing. That's why I don't really care about it. Hold on, guys. How do you end racism? Watch the stream. Oh, I don't know. I've had a few of them in here, brother. Moha, thank you for that, brother. You didn't have to, though. I'm scared to drive and tomorrow's my first with an instructor. Do you have any advice? Just be patient. Take your time and listen to what the instructor has to say, brother. I mean, my instructor was my koro, and every time I made a mistake he would whack me, so you got it good, brother. What time is it over there? It's 1:30, brother. Silent Sushi, thank you very much for the sub as well. You didn't have to, you can watch for free. It is more than welcome. Okay, this is quite nice. Are you Hawaiian? Nah, bro. I'm curious to ask why people think I'm Hawaiian. Tickles are my partner's weapon. Yeah, I've been getting asked that a lot too. Like, do I look like a Hawaiian? What's up, bro? Oh, you didn't have to give subs, brother. Well, thank you, man. Oh, Peter. Oh, hi, Peter. How's your day been going? Sure, brother. My day's good, bro. Just happy to carve for another day, brother. What made you get into WoW? So back in primary school, brother, one of the computers had Warcraft 3 demo on it, bro. And just from then, brother, I got like really interested in it. Just like, because we didn't have internet where I was from for a long time. Not until I was like 14. We didn't have power till we were... Shit, I can't even remember. When I was young anyway. But yeah, brother. Ever since playing that demo, when you play as Thrall and you order the peons around, yeah, I just got really interested in the game and then try to find the actual game. But unfortunately, my family didn't have like a laptop or a computer. So I just played that demo every day at school when we had like our free computer time after our computer classes. Playing that game every time, and yeah. And then the time came around, and then my nan had a laptop, and my koro bought me World of Warcraft, and he thought it was a PlayStation game. And then I tried it, bro, and then I was like, wow, I love this game. Silent Sushi, thank you very much, brother. Didn't have to. Did you play RuneScape as a kid? Nah, man. No. Yeah, my koro goes, oh, here's a PlayStation game. I went, oh, it's for computer koro. I was like, it's got that green fella you like on it. Hey, cheer, brother Quinn, how are you? Low-key wish I could grow up with Wi-Fi. Oh, yeah. Unfortunately, nowadays, man, kids depend on it now. And that's the hard thing with us, trying to catch the younger generation to take an interest into carving as well. But it's just another obstacle we have to overcome. But yeah. I've been getting messages from a few that are in high school taking learning carving as well, asking about my journey, which is bloody satisfying to see, seeing the younger generation ask, and I'm happy to help them, like what I did after school. We had the Halo Blood Gulch demo on our school computers. They kept trying to take it off the server and we kept putting it back on. Nice. Bro, what's more fun? Arms of Fury. Bro, I haven't played enough Arms, brother. I want to. So, I'm that guy. I made a second warrior on Frostmourne. But it's mainly for learning how to play prot. But I'll probably roll Arms as well. The warrior I played through Legion pretty much... Fury right through, brother. Tangy Tango Juice. Thank you very much, man, for subbing. You didn't have to. What keeps you so positive? I don't know. Me. Nah, probably just... Feels better, eh? Feels better. Just taking a break from WoW, might knock out with the master woodworking ASMR there. True, brother Quinn. Yeah, I'm not really having fun with visions. It's so boring, man. But I'm just doing them for their transmog, eh? To get their bag. That's pretty much all. Ooh. Looks so peaceful carving wood. It's just what I love, bro. I love doing this. Those Terra Chris for gifting a sub to Mama Bears. Hey. Nice, brother. And Jarhead, thank you guys. You can't hold off doing that. Who's your favourite Twitch streamer and why is it me? Because you gave me Cole's cookies. Hey. And you made me shoes. And sometimes you like shouting yourself out. The first 5 minutes I've been in the stream have been even more positive than I've been the whole week. Oh, that's good. Good to see. Good that you're doing something you love. Yeah, brother. Yeah, just happy, bro. Grateful. You sound like the guy from Thor Ragnarok. You rode a hammer. The hammer rode you on your back. Oh my god, the hammer pulled you off. Oh. So it seems you had a very special and intimate relationship with this hammer, and losing it was like losing a loved one. Is that right? Was that it? Okay, we got a bit of unevenness going on in this arm. What is going on? The hammer rode you on your back. This weapon would be very effective if you saw 3 vampires huddled together. I'm finally able to watch you on PC and not on my phone. Hey, nice Swagner. Cheer, brother. What's the time? Oh, it's almost time to go get baby. Do you believe in ghosts? And if so, if you do, why? In our culture, bro, yeah, of course. Like, I mean, the spirits, so sometimes there are spirits here that don't make their way to the next world. Yeah, it's, in terms of spirituality, yeah, that stuff was something they really believed in back in the days, our ancestors. I mean, I can't talk to ghosts, but yeah, there have been stories about them. I mean, you look at a child, eh? They're the ones that can see them. When they're talking to something hard out and no one's there, that's them. No, I love it even more. Cheer, Nooms. Thanks for the... Oh, yeah, not me. How you doing, man? Castellos. I'm doing good, brother. Just happy to do what I'm doing, brother. Yeah, so, and now, I mean, it's an ability that all babies have, eh? Seeing loved ones that aren't here anymore. And then they lose it as they get older. Imagine holding on to that attribute as you grow older. And there's a face of Shrek. Nice selfie of yourself, my man. Cool words. Thanks for the bits, brother. You didn't have to, man. You can just watch it. All good. And the little ones on the Friday late night during a thingy and they're playing and talking. Yeah, NZ projects. That's pretty much what confirms it, eh? Hey bro, you're awesome, amazing, you deserve the best. I'm from South Africa, and your inspiration to me. Hey, Mr. J. Butler. Much love, brother. South Africa, eh? Congrats on the World Cup too, my bro. Hello, Benji. These soil carvings, I will be soon, man. Not yet, though. How am I going to do this? Took a bit too much wood off there, so we'll have to change the arm. Might have to put this guy to the side for today. Then we'll do a bit of Taiaha. Do a bit of Taiaha, eh? You're getting pretty famous. Ah, okay. Okay, so we're gonna do this now. How long does it take to make one? It all depends on how much you put into it, eh? So I gotta do this side. Yeah, this side. That will fix up that side. So this is a Taiaha to anyone that's new here. Similar to an English 3/4 staff, but ours wasn't made to be thrown. Our ancestors didn't believe in killing them from afar because they thought there was no honour in it. And obviously times change with the muskets brought in, but there were some that stuck to the old ways, and that's when the trench warfare came into play. Have you ever played Dragon Fable? Is that the... Fuck, that game sounds familiar. And I think I remember Dragon Fable, and it had a lion dude on there, eh? And you make your own character and you colour his armour. And is it Adventure Quest? Was that it too? Wizard stuff. Nah, this is a warrior's staff, brother. Similar to a 3/4 staff. So this is one of the most renowned weapons we have. So even the Taiaha itself, guys, is likened to the human anatomy. These are named after our ancestors as well. And that's just another reason why we don't throw them. Because it's not good throwing your ancestor. Posture check. Okay. And I mean, if you throw your weapon, you're left defenseless and you're probably going to die. Oh. Where can I get that phone case? Oh, I just DIY'd it, brother. I made it. Found some foam. Shaped it out with my chisels. RuneScape. Nah, I never played RuneScape. What wood do you use for the staff? Arata. It's the same timber as this. It's a hardwood. So this is for 21st next month. Going to a young fella in Hamilton, turning 21. So these are usually around 9 to 1200 if you want a proper one. Does your name come from Boxer? Yeah, brother, it does. Thank you, brother. All the way from there, my bro. I just had to change it up a bit, eh? Back in the Taiaha. Yeah, bro. You're gonna try and round this ear. So this is what I've been doing off stream. Do you know the haka? Yep. You're a talented person, my friend. Oh, I'm alright. Historically, do they also use wood as the staff? Like for this type of weapon, brother, they used, yeah. Most of our weapons like this were wood. Our shorthand clubs like patu, kotiate and wahaika were carved out of stone as well. So jade, pounamu is the most well known one we have here, but also whalebone and yeah, just your normal hardwoods. Just had to think about it there. No, I was right. My whānau is from H-Town. Oh, true, brother. Leonid Max, I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand. I'll just round this ear. Then I'll go and get my ruler. Do a bit of rasping. Then yeah. Whalebone weapons look amazing. Yeah, bro. They're some of the most prized there because whalebone's obviously hard to come by. And, yeah. Looking good. Is he using his phone for mic? Nah, I'm using the camera. Think a taller bench would be more comfortable? Yeah, bro, definitely. But I want to try and make one in. I don't want to buy one. Once I get power tools and stuff and we eventually move, I'll make one. Okay, so I'm just looking, this nose needs to be fixed because it's not the same. But for now, we're gonna round this side of the mouth. Do you own a PC? Yep. Thanks to the brother Panda TV, he sent one. So that's him there. So you can see brow, eyes, nose, mouth, tongue. So what I'm going to do is round this side of the mouth. Do you have any tattoos? Yep. I love to get one outside of my culture though. That would be cool. Just getting a chisel. Okay, so I'll be rounding this side. Oh, who's this? Anonymous. Anonymous gifter again. Come on, man, that's enough. You can watch. Are you gonna play Ashes of Creation? Nah, probably not, brother. Yeah, I've been hearing the rave about that through the brother Panda, but yeah, probably not, man. Show your tattoos if you can. It's on my calf, bro, so I can't take my pants off. I'll get banned. Have you ever carved patu prawa? Nah, bro. I've seen one being carved, though. So to anyone that doesn't know, patu prawa is whalebone. Broxh, do you remember whose this was? This song reminds me of him. Does it? I mean, did he play Final Fantasy X? I was never a fan of him, just because of the way he is. Lewis Spy and Ferox, thank you very much, guys. Didn't have to. Do you have whalebones? Nah, man. I don't have any of my own. But there's a whale decomposing outside of one of my meeting houses that my grandfather told me of. Can't get it yet because it's still decomposing. So the most prized parts of the whale. Get that. Get a tat together. Ooh, that'll sound like Eisenach tattoo. Oh man, Ferox, bro. Thank you, brother. Wow, you didn't have to do that, my bro. Shit. This guy. Coming in with his big sub hammer. Thank you, brother. Shit, you didn't have to do that, my bro. Oh, and thank you, chat, for recommending. Yeah, that is a lot of subs, man. Thank you, everyone, for recommending Mewtwo King to watch in terms of looking for a player who who plays a lot of Incineroar. What do you do with the wood shavings? Bury them. Such nice people in chat. Yeah, man, that's a lot lovely. So we'll just round this. Get it looking gradually the same. Yo, whose is that Incineroar emote? Is that Mewtwo's? Okay, let's just try and get this out the way. Yeah, I uploaded a TikTok video today. You won't find dancing videos on there. I don't do that crap. Gonna stream well soon? Bro, hopefully, bro. Broxh, what have you been up to during lockdown other than this? So playing games, just chilling. Not much, bro. Just trying not to, just trying to keep daughter safe. Not gonna lie, I dumped for Broxh. Oh, then what? How long it's Void's emote? Oh, true. Is he a bit of a Incineroar player too? Does he play Incineroar as well, brother? I'm just looking for someone who plays Incineroar, really, so I can learn. Because I've been playing my cousin's Switch. She has one. Yeah, so this is for one of Mrs. Brox's cousins. There you go. Why don't you stream you playing games? Oh, well, it's just hard with my situation because the internet I use is from the stream pack, and there's like a few things I have to use in order to stream off the stream pack. Like, we tried it, but the game wasn't popping up and I was getting no sound. What are you making today? Just doing a Taiaha, 3/4 staff. So it's one of the most renowned weapons my ancestors used, and we still use it today, mainly just for discipline. Doesn't play Incineroar much, but the emote is cool. Yeah, it's pretty good emote. Most consistent streamer? Oh, I'm trying to be, bro. Yeah, trying to be. It's hard. But yeah. What time is it there? It is 2 o'clock on the dot, brother. What's your second favourite story about your culture? Ah, jeez, I don't even categorise them, eh? So I love them all. Thought it was the first person view today. Ah, nah, bro. We ain't walking anywhere just yet. Man, I'm sure this is working. Boom, boom. I've got to go. Much love, Carl. Oh, all good, Amble. You have a good one, brother. Hey, Mario. 4 AM, man. Good night and have a great stream. Hey, good night, Fish. Started watching your vids on YouTube and inspired to be a better person every day, especially in lockdown. Oh, trees are in lockdown too. Favorite carvings or a Q&A vid? We can do a Q&A stream tomorrow if he's a keen. We haven't done one in a while. Only if you guys are keen. I don't mind. As long as I get to stream for you guys, I'm happy. Let me know, guys. It's 10 AM here in the Philippines. Oh, true, brother. You should remake something from Ghost of Tsushima. No, it's not your usual thing or your culture, but it'd be something new anyways. Q&A and draw? Ooh. I mean, I could try and carve like their masks that they do. Be bloody hard, but I just don't want to offend anyone, that's all. What time is it in Japan right now? I don't know, I'm not in Japan. Gotta ask someone that's from there. Have you tried bubble tea? Nah. I just drink tea. Hold on, guys, I'll just do this. Yeah. Much better. You should do a wooden carving of all my... No, I can't even carve that, brother. Can you do an Oni mask? Oh, I don't... I'm a Maori cultural carver, brother. I can't carve anything outside of my culture. I could try, but it'll be hard. And I don't want to offend people from that culture as well. If you feel me. How often do you sharpen your chisels? Like once every few months? Senpai noticed me 8. Cheer, brother. I see you. You didn't have to sub, my bro. To Hawaii. That globe, I've never been anywhere, brother. Total bubble tea is dope. True. That does sound pretty on. Okay, there it is. Destroy Tiger. Thank you very much for subbing, brother. Didn't have to. But thank you, brother. So I'm just looking at it, making sure everything's even. Or like looking gradually the same, like on the other side. Are you in Rotorua? Yes, I am. Oh, very strange. Oh, thanks, VT. Cheers, brother. Keep up the positive, honest, and refreshing times of living in right now. Thanks, Nico. What I'm currently making is a Taiaha. So similar to our English 3/4 staff, but ours was never made to be thrown because it's named after an ancestor. When did it get dark out? It's just the afternoon, brother. Tixel Zeus, thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to. You can just watch, my brother. Have you ever made a knife? Nah, brother, my ancestors never used knives. Okay. Did you listen to reggae or island reggae? Emeric? Yeah, oh, I can't listen to reggae anymore because of the new rules, eh? I want to sleep. Yeah, I'll be closing out soon, man. Not yet. I mean, I'm probably going to have an apple before I leave. Because I got to go and pick up my daughter soon. Looking quite nice. Chile's a bill. Thank you very much for the bits. You did not have to. But thank you. And McKnights as well. Oh, brother. New rules. You have rules in your country or your culture. What do you mean? What? Oh, DMCA, yeah. Not rules around my culture. DMCA. Because everyone hates DMCA. Nah, DMCA, yeah, I forgot to explain more. I just thought everyone would, yeah. My bad. Do you have a pet? Nah, not allowed, brother. Okay. So I gotta drop a bit down on the top, but we can do that later. It's looking okay so far. Have you been to Te Puia? Yep, I used to work there and I went through the school there, through the carving school. From Auckland, Nassau. Yeah, Sky, I actually studied there like a few years back now. I'm a graduate carver from there. Oh, humongous. Bloody hell, brother. What you doing, my bro? Jesus, my bro. No, Lord. Nah, that's not what this is for, brother. If I used it for that purpose, they'd be damn disrespectful. Do this. I'll be back soon, just gonna get my ruler. Well done. Don Max, thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, my bro. You can watch for free. It's all good. Okay. So I'm just going to do a bit of this for now. I might turn it over actually. So you don't just use your ruler to measure. This method is just to help cut down the level of sanding you have to do. Scraping. Toga and thanks for the bits, man, and iPex for subbing. You still don't have to, you can just watch. Yeah, so I gotta take quite a bit out, a bit of wood out. How did you learn this? From another person, brother? From my uncle? He's a Maori woodcarver as well. Been doing this since I was 12, and would choose this over the normal board any day. How often do you sharpen your ruler? Yeah, this just helps skip a few levels in sandpaper. So there's quite a bit of wood here. It's not too bad there. Yeah, it's all in here, so I'll probably have to use a rasp in this section. But it feels fine there. Yeah. How's your reading, chat? So now you're saying, have the carving methods changed much than using modern tools? Yeah. I mean, it cuts down the time, that's about it. This fella is saying, haha, Whanau. Yeah, it's all good there. Deck Blood, thanks for the bits. You didn't have to. Yeah, so we won't touch here. It's more so in here for the handle, and it'll be up in the blade too. Have you ever read minds? What am I thinking about right now? Me. No. It's not looking too bad. Is it cold in New Zealand? Yeah, brother. It was a bit warm this morning, and now that's gone. So the best thing for these is do long ones. You don't want to go, because that'll start to make the blade on the handle uneven. Nice long ones. What tool? What's that tool called? Ruler. The wood itself is called rata, so it's a native hardwood to New Zealand. So we have another one called Maori as well. Many others. Manuka, Kanuka, Puriri. Many. That our ancestors used to make weapons. Yeah, this part here needs to be rasped. It's quite thick. There's a lot of wood in here, and on this side, well, not so much on this blade here. Most of the wood at the top is on this side. There. Behold, it's the number one egg. Cheer, Olga. Cheer, brother. On the right track. So I'm gonna have an apple. Because I'm getting a bit pickish. Okay. So I'll just pack these chisels away. Talk to you guys for a bit. Have an apple, and that will be us for today. Okay, guys. I'll just put this to the side. Please add a donation button soon. Did someone raid? Oh. Wheku, hey, thanks for the raid. Damn, you didn't have to do that, but thank you, I appreciate it. Hello everyone from Wheku's chat. I was just actually having a break. But kia ora, hello, welcome, my name's Broxh. Hold on, I'm just adjusting the camera. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver based here in New Zealand, and thank you very much Wheku for the raid. Sorry if I said your name wrong. Can we get a shout out from Wheku, please? Can we get a shout out? Oh yeah. This guy is sick. Thanks, brother. Yeah, I was just winding up to end actually.